Hey there, it's that mama. Right now we're going to go into SL and get some hair for the baby, for the Zooby babies. That's right, we're going to put on some new hairstyles and I'm going to show you how. Okay, first things first is you need to make sure that you have your land tag on. So you've got that on. Then you will put on your HUD, your Zooby HUD, and open it up. And you will push the little baby icon and res your baby. He or she will res right there beside you, close beside you. And mine's standing. She might just waddle off on me. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to go idle and have her sit down. So that she will sit. Okay. And then you go into your inventory and get your Zooby hair. So it's usually going to be held under recent. You want to be in your recents tab. You go to objects and you find your Zooby Animish hair. This is the Zooby Animish hair long straight. Drag the package out. If you're doing mesh on mesh, this is why I have this rug down here, because usually mesh on a mesh house, it gives you some kind of error, like a little black box up here, error saying cannot res this object. It's not permitted, and that's totally wrong. It's just mesh on mesh doesn't res out. It gets confused. So you have a little buffer box here, and this particular one it's just an object, but it's textured to look like a rug. I always use something like that when resing. And then you res the package out. You push the little open icon to unpackage it, copy it to your inventory, and now you can go ahead and delete that package out of the way. And that will come into your recents. You'll have the hair long straight, and you res this out, and that comes out in a little podium. And it says where, so you click where to add this item to the baby. And it will change. You select her, and it will change her hair. We'll stand up, come walk over to it, sit down, and there we go. And you can apply color. So there it is. It's that simple. So you just res out your hair head icon, push the wear, and then push the add color. Ta-da! New hair for the baby. And it's that simple. Okay, then you can go ahead and delete this. And you are done. Thank you for viewing. It's that mama. Bye-bye.